Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna jump straight into this video. Today I'm going to be deep conditioning my daughter Z's hair. As you can see, it's very dry, it looks brittle, it looks like it needs a whole lot of love. And sometimes it does happen, like life gets to us, we get so busy and I do not get to take care of their hair the way I would like. So as you can see, it looks pretty bad. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's get the elephant into the room. Her hair needs some serious TLC. So I really wanted to give this deep treatment mask a try to see if it can revive her hair in any way, which would help me then in getting it back to its normal state. So as you can see, I'm just showing you how it looks. I'm not hiding anything. This is how it looks. This is what happens when we get extremely busy and I just don't maintain their hair the way that I usually would or the way that I would love to. So that's what I'm working with today. I'm gonna try to get it back soft and fluffy and manageable. And as I said, today I'm gonna be using this CANTU Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. It's said to be for natural hair, and we're gonna give it a try and see how it works on her hair. Just showing you how it looks inside. It's quite thick, so it doesn't run and stuff easily. I've used it on my hair already and I like the results. And seeing that we have similar hair textures, that's what I'm going to be using on her hair. Now I went ahead and gave her hair a rinse with a cleansing shampoo, and this is how her hair looks right now. It's not really fully detangled. The ends look terrible. Yeah, it's very shrunken up, very dry, very brittle. So I'm going to separate it in sections with my hand. I'm going to put the majority of it away and just work with the small section at the front first. So I grabbed a white tooth comb and I'm going to begin to detangle her hair from the ends right up until the roots, and I'll break it down into smaller sections as I go along as well, just because I felt some knots in between there, and I really wanted to get it somewhat detangled so that once I apply the product it would sit properly on her hair shaft. So once I have completely detangled that section, I'm going to go ahead and grab that mask. I'm just showing you how it looks. It's very thick, it's very smooth, and I'm going to start to apply it to the hair in smaller sections, just so that I can make sure that I get it throughout her hair and I don't miss any like sections of hair in between as I'm working along. And it goes on very smoothly. I like how it goes on, and immediately like it starts to elongate her hair. And yeah, I'm just going to continue to do this along this section of hair, breaking it down into smaller parts if I need to, combing it through if I need to, but you can also finger detangle as you're going along to really make sure it gets into her hair. And once I have finished the section, I'm just going to go ahead and roll it or twist it up into like a bantu knot, and then I'm going to move on to the next section of her hair, and I just roughly part it out with my hands, and I begin to finger detangle or use my comb and repeat the same steps as I did before. So after I've completed all of her hair, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 shower caps and place them over her hair while the mask breaks down in her hair some more. I'm going to leave it for a few hours, but you can do 2 things at this point. You can either wrap it with a towel and let your body heat process it, or if you want, you can sit under a hooded dryer. So I'm going to leave her with the towel and we will be back. So it has been now approximately, let's say 2.5 hours, and I'm just opening up one section to show you how it has processed or broken down onto her hair. And you can see her hair looks a little bit more stretched. It's so much more softer. It is detangled as well, and her strands look a bit more, you know, alive, I should say. So I'm going to go ahead now and wash this out and we will be back. So we are back and I have washed out the mask out of her hair. I didn't apply anything at this point. This is just her hair as soon as it's been washed out, and it's so much more soft. It is so much more fluffy and bouncy. It does not look as dry and harsh and brittle as it did before. I can go ahead now from this point and just put in about 6 chunky twists and let it air dry, and then I can style it either tomorrow or the next day when I'm ready to create a look on her hair. But this has surely helped to bring her hair back somewhat, and I am quite happy with the results. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment below, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys again very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye.